Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Yep.
you are.
Okay. Good afternoon to our respected teachers and principals, sir. And good afternoon also to my friends and my fellow teammates who are present here. Techno India Banipur presents the mechanical way and interdepartmental competition. So today is the final day of our competition. Our team members are Devrup Mukherjee, Shaumalya Chakraborty, Manibandha Bishwas, Obhijit Jash, and Obhijit Hajra. So here is the content of our today's competition topic. So as we all know that COVID-19 is breaking out during those days, and they are spreading rumorously, and it is considered as pandemic worldwide. So now, what are the effect of society without mechanical engineering? What are those future prospects of mechanical engineering after this COVID-19 outbreak or this crisis? And what are the career opportunity as a mechanical engineer? So I would like to request my fellow teammate Ovijit Jash to represent the topic number one. Over to you, Ovijit.
Thank you, Somallo. Good afternoon to our respected principal, sir, and teachers, and present our respected judges and my loving fellow classmates. Before starting our presentation, I would like to thanks to our respected teachers for organizing such astonishing event during this catastrophic situation. Uh, in this presentation, I will be covering effect on society without mechanical engineering. Now, let me tell you why mechanical engineering is important to our society. Well, mechanical engineering is a branch of engineering which itself acts like a polymath. Polymath means the subject has a diversity or versatility. It plays a pivotal role to accelerate our society. Without mechanical engineering, we still may stuck into the ancient age. If there is no contribution of mechanical engineering, then there will be no manufacturing. No manufacturing means no machines and no mobility. It makes our life a bit easier, and day by day it advancing for making mankind's life more easier, like manufacturing cars, building bridges, or an aeroplane. Apart from that, existing our life, we need food. For that, we have to cultivate. Cultivation would be a bit hostile without the contribution of this branch. For farming, we need plow, which requires foraging. For producing crop, we need to irrigate the farmland, for which we need pump. Without pump, production might be less, and for cutting it, nowadays people are using rotor machine. Above this information shows us that how much mechanical engineering has been intruded in our life. Well, mechanical engineering is all about the principle of physics, mathematics, and material science to analyze, design, and manufacture mechanical system. When it comes to build modern marvel like Burj Khalifa or Rolling Bridge of London, well, Rolling Bridge of London is a unique form of engineering could easily fold and shape like a circle with the help of a hydraulic system. Or Gateshead Millennium Bridge at Tyneside is also an amazing movable bridge, which curved up to 40-degree fixed endpoints rather than lifting or bending with help of motor. Like this unique bridge also listed in Guinness World Record. Apart from that, in our daily basis life, we also use many devices such as refrigerator, oven, etc. These examples reveals that how mechanical engineering made our life easier. Next slide, please. Well, without mechanical engineering, there may not be any health sector. During this pandemic, we all have seen that devices like oxygen therapy device or ventilator or CPAP, continuous positive airway pressure. Without this, saving life would be a bit difficult. For instance, there are many more machines like 3D printer, Thrombolux for blood platelet analyzing, or super pump for pulse duplicator that test heart, cardiovascular, etc. When it comes about development, mechanical engineering is always young as morning and old as sea. Day by day, it enhancing our transportation system. To give an instance, British inventor George Stephenson, who created the first inner city railway system, this is of course reset the transportation system. With help of mechanical engineering, automobile system is also improved into hybrid electric vehicle and electric vehicle, which helps our society to prevent from carbon emissions. At the meantime, mechanical engineers also focuses on durability. Scientists from MIT, ETH Zurich, and Caltech find a new carbon-based nano-architected material which is tougher alternative to Kevlar and steel. Next slide, please. Well, in past decades, thinking about space was just like a space cadet. With advancement of technology, it has possible to reach to the space. Uh, Thank you. I would like to over it to my fellow classmate Somallo Chakraborty.
Thank you, Abhijit Jash. So the next topic is about what are the future prospects of mechanical engineering after the COVID-19 crisis. As we all know, during the COVID-19 outbreak, many people are falling infected, and it is a contagious virus. So, as a mechanical engineer, basically deals with machines, equipments in those factories, and they need to visit those industries. There are many firms like IT firm, electronics and telecommunication firm who have those possibilities, who have those criteria in their hand that they can work from home. They have those capabilities that they can work from their home. But mechanical engineer have never been work from home, and it poses a very difficult problem to the industries. But due to this COVID-19 outbreak, the entire platform has been shifted. Everyone has to face the new normal. They have to accept it. But yeah, there is accept of mechanical engineering after this COVID-19 crisis. Emerging to some new domain in mechanical engineering, design, prototyping, 3D printing are some of those softwares. Softwares like computer-aided design, computer-aided mechanism, that is CAM, CATIA, and other software which does design and prototype any machines. Rather than that, there is other software like MATLAB, CATLAB, which are used by CNCs and EDM machines, modern CNCs and EDM machines for cutting off their job. So this prototyping, this designing can be done at home. They can be worked at home. They can be done anywhere in the world, from any part in the world. But those who are for production unit, who are making for production unit, who are there for supervising, they need to visit those industries and factories. Without them, nothing would be possible. This COVID-19 crisis presents mechanical and plant engineering companies facing unprecedented challenges. There are some companies who are having the temporary halt, and production has been postponed due to this COVID-19 crisis. Other than that, the mechanical engineer also in this current scenario joined hand with the medical engineer to fight against this coronavirus pandemic. The most hot cake item in this current situation is oxygen concentrator, mechanical ventilator, and setting up of hospital beds. These are some domain which fall under mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering joining hand with the medical have also started building those machineries, so they may defeat the coronavirus. This joining hand with the medical engineer pose a foundation of a new domain in mechanical engineering field. Now, talking about the order scenario, obviously due to this COVID-19 crisis, many orders are getting delayed because there are many different companies who are facing temporary halt. There are other companies also who are shutting down their companies due to the loss, due to their production has been stopped, and they are facing the capital losses. So nowadays we know that there are many different companies who have to running their companies with 50% workers. This is done because of the workers and because of the fact that the worker will not be get contaminated with this COVID-19 viruses. So running those industries with 50% workers poses a big problem. But yeah, they are continuing their productions. But after all this, the positive side is mechanical engineering are they're back in form. They are already in process in adopting Industry 4.0. What is Industry 4.0? This is the new normal industries. As we all know, due to this COVID-19 crisis, there are many different companies who are eliminating those human labors with machines. This crisis driven the tech mechanization will bless the industries with realization, flexibility, reliability, and greater accuracy and production. Demand of counter COVID-19 product has opened a new horizon in the mechanical engineering industries, which I am talking about the oxygen concentrator and those mechanical ventilations. This poses a new domain in those mechanical engineering field. So the next topic is about what are the career opportunities in mechanical engineering department. I would like to request my fellow teammate Devrup Mukherjee to continue this topic. Over to you, Devrup.
Thank you, Shomallo, and I would like to warm welcome all of you in the presentation. So, the career opportunity in mechanical engineering, it is a great prospect, I think so. And with that, let's start it. In a survey conducted by the Career Option, it reveals that 60% of mechanical engineer graduates go to private companies like Tata Consultancy Service, Fusion BPO, Tata Motors, Mohan Motors, Telecom, Philips, etc. as sales advisor, assembly line worker, customer care executive, and others. In the core sector, we get only 10% mechanical. The companies which hire them are Tata Motors, Tata Power, Bharatwar, Factory Pump, etc. As a manufacturing line worker, designs or surveillance worker. In software companies, we get only 5% job vacancy for the mechanical. The companies which hire them are Wipro, Google, Microsoft, Player Unknown Battleground, mainly as software designer or web designer. And only 1 to 2% mechanical graduates go to government sectors like PWD, CPWD, UPSC, SPSC, and Indian Army as an high post engineer or an civil servant, and many others. Next slide. So, what are the other sectors which mechanical work for? In the day-to-day life, it is important to note that the mechanical are venturing through other sectors like aerospace. Recently, it revealed that mechanical engineering is present in aerospace engineering as it combined a material of manufacturing and maintenance, which itself is a component of mechanical. In nuclear power plant, we have machineries which can only be operated and maintained by a mechanical engineer. So nuclear power plant also had mechanical engineer. Control and instrumentation. In the development sectors of the various types of instrument, we see the design, development, manufacturing, and maintenance, which is itself a component of the mechanical engineering subject. So there is also a hint present of a mechanical engineer. Next slide. So the next slide will be research and development in mechanical engineering. It imbibes the higher studies also. In short, mechanical can do many more things except like doing MTech or PhD in their own domain. They can do short courses like CAD, pipeline engineering, and many others. MTech they can do in designing, thermal, or the production engineering. And if we go to the research sector, there is robotics, material, nanotechnology, vibration, which is imbibed in the IIT Kharagpur and many other high posted or high institutions. So nowadays in the government sector also there is a important part in the research and development like DRDO, Indian Oil, NPTEL, BHEL, and many other sectors also include mechanical for their daily uses in the development sectors. Next slide. Next slide. So I would like to conclude this with this short note that we are thankful to Techno India Banipur for organizing this wonderful course. As we are diploma engineers, so we know the basic things, and we have get crystal clear evidence in this very short time due to our faculty members. We all would like to thank our faculty members for this. Thank you.